Hi, my name is Sarah Picker, and I'm doing my Chapter 8 reflection video. Question 1, describe how power is produced from 5 types of renewable energy. There's wind, there's coal, there's water, where are the other ones? Wind, coal, water, oil, um, but it's all produced between, like, different mechanisms. Um, the wind, the turbines get turned, which turn another thing, which then sends energy and gives electricity, blah blah blah. So they're all kind of just using natural resources and like the force of natural resources um, to create electricity, um, which is overall renewing everything. So it helps save energy and convert it a lot better. Which renewable energy source should the United States pursue most? Well, after looking at the statistics in class, I think that the water was the best option. Um, you're not leaving a whole lot of stuff left out there. I know that the ocean's very polluted, but we are going to just pollute it more by putting $3 million turbines, and then once they breaking, just leaving them. I think we could benefit a lot more from more of the water energy sources. There is so much water and there's so much going on in the ocean that I think with a little bit of cleanup and keeping it up to date, keeping the maintenance up, would be really good. Number 2, what are your thoughts after watching State of Climate Talk? What specific facts stood out to you as concerns for our environment and climate? What would you suggest? Just the idea of climate change just stands out to me in general. Like, the whole broad picture of it. Like, I feel like there's a whole lot of different facts that you can say, and there's a lot of statistics, and there's a lot of opinions and politics, and everything goes into it. I think personally, our environment and climate change, I suggest that it has a lot to do with our ozone layer. I know that fossil fuels, everything. I think overall we just need to be a cleaner country. I mean, we need to start reduce, reuse, and recycle. Like the whole recycling process, it should not have to be like you should do this. It should just be a given. Like, I feel like if everyone started contributing to that and not just a certain group of people, we will get so much further. Number 3, describe 2 recent articles that I have found. 2 articles that I found. The first one, in pro-Trump West Virginia coal country, the jobs keep leaving. I think that's a really big thing. Coal has been a very big natural resource for us. And I think jobs leaving and forgetting the whole presidential political side, that's a really big deal. If we're not using it to our benefit, or if we're using it and taking it for granted. The jobs that are leaving, that's definitely going to affect the U.S. My other one is Northern Carolina wildfire overgrows overnight, forcing evacuations. Overall, we need to, this article was about just the wildfire and how it's affecting human life and the environment in general. Sometimes in ways, fires can be good because the aftermath, you can burn something down and a whole forest can grow after it. But in order for that forest to grow, we have to take care of the earth. And that all has to do with climate change. The fuels and chemicals that are being released after burning down buildings and plastic and everything that's going into this wildfire, I think that's a really big thing. It's also killing a lot of species, which messes up the whole chain and gets everything off track. So I just think we need to take a lot better care of the place that we're living.